What is up, everybody? My name is Copper Top Short Dick. Are you already recording? Oh, absolutely. It's unbelievable.
That's petrol.
That's fresh, that is. What's happened? What's gotten us to this point?
We tried to...
for camera purposes?
We tried to start it a few times.
We got it off, we got it in here, we tried to turn it over. First there was no fuel, so we jerry-rigged a fuel pump.
Alright.
Fuck, this is dodgy.
Then there was no sparks, so then we took the spark plugs out and did a compression test, and that came up with
50.
when it's meant to be
110 to 150.
That's fucked.
I reckon it fires on exactly one of the 6 faces of the 2 Doritos.
And so now we're pulling it and doing it properly.
1 piston out of 6 and yeah, close enough.
Yeah, right, I think.
For all you people who don't know Doritos.
You mean
Like
us. We don't know Doritos. This is all
Like
foreign.
It's so simple. There's no timing belts. Put an ECU on her and she'll be great. And she's not. They don't mention all this.
Okay, so we're pulling the motor tonight.
Yeah.
Do we need to get that off to get the air pump off? There's a bolt in the back.
No, that's hard line. Well, you mean, yes.
So we can, if we drain...
Solid attachment.
If we drain the power steering...
Yeah, just do that at the rack here.
Yeah.
Taking 5 for food.
Do it. This is just about out. Like 2 tugs and a handshake away. Just off this funnel, yep.
Rotary's out, mate. I missed the good part.
Yeah, you did. It was fucked off.
I don't know what we're trying to do here. I just want to see the rotary pulled apart. So that's what we're aiming for. You sick of it yet? Such fun. That is cutest little turbo.
It is tiny, isn't it?
Well, there's 2 of them. Okay, come on.
Yeah.
Just push the fucking finger.
That's fine.
The crane, yeah.
Back.
There you go.
Yep.
That's right.
Stop there. You good?
How strong is this desk?
That don't come out.
Very, it's a metal.
Push now. Perfect.
That'll do it.
I'll call on that.
We don't have the bit to get that off, so we're just going to strip down as far as we can, and then that's probably going to be it.
That was just on camera.
Did you get yourself?
It's not going
No,
out.
it's not me to steal these
It's a
ones.
screwdriver with a fucking pair of pliers.
That's actually pretty good.
I think that's all she wrote for today.
It's
Yeah.
on.
It's been a short video, but
I think
it's been a long day.
Those off when it's
yeah. Hey, you want to do my outro?
Alright.
Those lines go up.
Like and subscribe, hit the bell.
Maybe
Oh, don't say the bell.
Oh, we don't talk about the bell?
I just never have. Yep, that's all she wrote. I'm done. I'm going home. I'll see you next week's video. I don't know what we're doing. Probably more of this shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Because it's the only thing I have to film at the moment.